Hi there. Hayden, on a bridge walk today.
Really intelligent already. G'day, we are starting the day. We're going to walk across the bridges of the Brisbane River today from the Walter Taylor Bridge here to the Story Bridge.
Should be fun.
Woo!
First bridge, how does it feel?
Fantastic.
Out of 10?
Oh, this is one of my favourites. I'm going to give it a 9.5 out of 10.
Hot damn. How's that? Favourite bridge so far? That's a good one. It's only downhill from here.
And we can see the Jack Perch Bridge here too.
She lacked the courage to climb the hill. It's just a cheeky little cut in there. She missed it.
Here we are.
We don't have all day, mate. Come on.
The beautiful Jack Perch Bridge.
The Jack Perch Bridge. Next to Walter Taylor. That we've crossed twice already. We're doing good.
Found an unintentional bonus bridge. We'd only counted on doing 9, but we've got 10.
The old pamphlet.
Go the pamphlet.
This might be my favourite one yet.
You don't say.
History.
Nice hat, Hayden. Where'd you get that?
Just on the road back there. The spoils of nature.
About 10 k's in, we're still heading to the 3rd bridge, or the 4th bridge. But it's been a beautiful walk. I've actually been very impressed by how much green space is left. Lots of little parks and things along the way. We're at the Brown Snake here, looking brown.
So brown. The only thing I'm a little concerned about is just the fact that we haven't really followed natural movements. We've had to follow streets for a majority of it, which are, hard lefts and rights instead of the nice bend of a river, which is, odd.
Yeah, true. Yeah, quite far from the river in many cases. But we're here now, and we're heading on.
Hi, MTV. Welcome to my crib. It's me by the river.
We made it to the beach.
Oh, hooray! MTV cribs again here. I've upgraded from my water home. MTV cribs here again. Made a bad call on Bitcoin last night and we've had to sell the house. Just the house. We've just arrived at the dead centre of town, about to hit the 3rd bridge.
Eleanor Chanel Bridge in the background here, or as we call it, the Ellie Chanelli.
Or the Green Bridge.
That was its actual name. I'm really enjoying this bridge. I love the shady covering here. I'm going to give it a 8.5, I think.
Oof, 8.3.
It's council collection time, so there's just so much rubbish everywhere. Go between bridge, we've made it to number 5.
So over halfway.
Woo!
Feeling good?
Feeling great.
Very nice bridge, this one. Very nice. Good shade, good breadth, a lot of room. Like easy 8.
Woo! See, I don't like the design as much. It doesn't stand out as much to me. It is very practical, but I also never drive it because it was toll. So I'm going a 4, I think. It's one of my lower. It's not bad, but it's not my fave. Number 6, the William Jolly Bridge. Are you feeling jolly?
The jolliest I've ever felt.
We're on the Quilpa Bridge now,
Bridge 6.
and this one is made to look like
7.
ships' masts. Yeah. 7, I think. Sailing in the river as if they were ship sailing, and it's called Quilpa after the Water Rat.
Lovely example of a bridge utilising the principles of tensegrity. So there you go.
So true. Victoria Bridge.
What's number this? What's number this?
Number 8, I think, maybe. Little detour to the Commissariat Store Museum because it happens to be Brisbane Open Day today. So we thought we'd pop in and have a spy in here. Another little detour because the open house is also open in the Brisbane
The open house is open.
Parliament.
The open house is open in the Parliament.
Correct. Hayden, I didn't know you worked here. One more open house detour. Bridge number 9, the Goodwill Bridge. Walking across from Gardens Point.
Almost there.
Almost there. Beautiful day. Loving it. See the last bridge in the distance. It's the Story Bridge in a couple of kilometres. Reflections on the day so far.
Looking good, feeling good.
Looking good, feeling good. No, having fun. It's been a lot more enjoyable overall than I thought it would be. I've been having a really good time. Good walking.
It's been, a pleasant walk in the city. It doesn't feel like a hike or anything like that.
Yeah.
Even though it's been pretty long.
I think it's amazing that if you were to walk, this same distance, 20 to 30 k's in the bush, like it has a completely different feeling than walking the same distance in the city.
It loses some of its sense of adventure, but then at the same time, it's just different.
Yeah.
It's not worse, it's not better, it's just different.
Bridge number 10, the last bridge, the Story Bridge. We did it! We crossed the last bridge. All 10 bridges of Brisbane, done.
Easy game.
Pretty beautiful.
Bloody jumping.
Following the river the last little bit by taking a city cat back to the bus to the home. I can't talk English anymore.
It's over.
Oh, we walked all the way to Paris.
No.